Here I am today with the latest firmware. I'm sure I pressed the on button. You gotta press it real hard sometimes for me. And we're shooting video just like that. Here we are. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna stop the video. I thought the record was here. It's over here. And I am going to start my camera, my smartphone, and connect it like so. And it wants to join, doesn't automatically join. I thought maybe new firmware will fix all this. And I'm gonna wait and wait and wait and wait. Don't want to touch it. Let it do its job. Here we are. This is iOS device. This is the playback button over here. Playback in progress, DJI Mimo. And I want to play back my last video. There it is. Working like a charm. Perfect. The best camera in the world. It beats the new Sony ZV-E1. Perfect playback for you. Thank you, DJI, for fixing our issue. DJI wants us to be in airplane mode. Go to the Mimo app. Let it go load off of Wi-Fi. DJI is loading. Open up the DJI Mimo app. Agree to their terms. Not now. No way. Okay. Okie dokie. All right. Good to know. Thank you very much. And connect. 6079. Don't share that with anybody. It wants to join the network. It wants to access my microphone, my pictures, everything. Open the playback, hit the playback. And there is my last video played. And we're shooting video just like that. Here we are. I'm going to restart the DJI Mimo app. I'm going to connect. Join. Playback. All right, so we're good for now. Until the next time.